How to send and receive one-on-one chats with easy texting. First, go to New Message and then start one-on-one chat. It'll immediately route you to your inbox. Select either your toll-free number or your short code, and then easily search for the contact you want to write to, either by name or phone number. Then, it's just like writing an email. But as a text, you'll garner much higher rates and response times. Want to customize your message up a bit? Simply click the personalization icon. Here, you have the ability to automatically attach your contact's first or last name to the message. Another pro tip to get personal: add a playful attention-grabbing emoji to add humor, emotion, or even urgency. Just tap on the Emojis icon for thousands of options. You can even respond entirely in emoji if it fits for your brand. Experiencing writer's block or short on time? Perhaps your business has an entire team responding to customers and you want to ensure uniform communications. Don't worry. We've created standardized templates especially for you. Or if you've already begun typing your message, you can save that as a template for future use. Just tap Create New Templates. Answers to common questions, like what are your store hours or directions, are always popular and save you time and energy. Once you're set up, you'll always find them under Custom Templates. When you're ready to send your messages out into the world, you click Send. As the replies start flying in, you'll find them routed right back into your inbox. Open the new message, in bold of course since it is unread, and reply right back to them again. To streamline the process, you can also sort your inbox by unread, opted in, unsubscribe, or archived convos. Just tap Filter. Congrats! You've now successfully sent your first one-on-one direct chat message with easy texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.